Hey, sweetheart. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, look at you run. Look at you run. Do you enjoy the snow? Hey? Are you enjoying the snow? Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart. Hello. How are you? How are you, Pumpkin? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at you. You're very sweet. Very sweet girl. Hmm? You're very busy. Well, come on over here. Come on over here, honey. Come here, sweetheart. Where are you going? Where are you going? There you are. There you are. There you go, sweetheart. There you go.